Welcome, Mind Body Miracle here. In today's video we're going to discuss 3 things to do before bed to manifest while asleep. Stay tuned till the end of the video to learn how to receive your own Manifestation Accelerator Kit. Or click the link below this video to get instant access. Although I'd recommend watching this video to the end so you have a clear understanding of the power you have at your disposal and how it can create what others would call miracles. So you want to intentionally manifest while you're asleep? The reason I added in intentionally is because the truth is, we are always manifesting our future. This human automation cannot be turned off. It is a universal law. We can, however, take control of what we manifest and intentionally move our reality in certain directions. We are always moving into future moments, and we can mold those future moments by being intentional. So you wish to continue the manifesting process while you're asleep, and maybe even dream about your desired life. Here are 3 things you can do within the few hours before bed in order to intentionally manifest your desires while you sleep. I practice these 3 things often with incredible results. 1. Get into a high vibrational place. Making an effort to get into a high vibe place before falling asleep ensures that you are in alignment with your highest self and all your desires. It is in this place when things begin to manifest in your favor. Also, the mood you fall asleep in typically translates to the mood you wake up in. Get yourself into a high vibe place to ensure you wake up feeling high vibe. This builds momentum and creates a cycle of a higher frequency. Here's what I like to do before bed to get into a high vibe place. Take a shower and do a face mask. Clean up my space. Light a candle and turn off harsh lights. Play some chill music. Practice yoga. Put down my electronics and do something else like paint, read, etc. I recommend getting into a high vibrational place before following through with these other practices. 2. Write in your journal. The power of journaling. When you open your journal and let words flow onto the pages, magic happens. When you sit down to journal before falling asleep, you have the chance to let go of any built-up energy, thoughts, and emotions that you collected throughout the day. Reflect on how your day went, and write down how you can make it even better tomorrow. Find clarity. Show gratitude. Reflect on your desires. Connect with the universe. Set any intentions. Sitting down to improve the energy you put out molds what is manifested into your life in the future. Here are a few prompts you can answer in your journal before bed. What was the best thing that happened to you today? What are 5 things you're grateful for? What are you most excited to manifest in your life? Why? What thoughts, feelings did you find yourself focusing on today that don't support your vision, highest self? What thoughts, feelings could you focus on more often to better align with your desires, highest self? What action can you take tomorrow to make your dreams a reality? 3. Visualize your desires as you fall asleep. Visualization is my favorite manifesting technique. Visualizing is the process of closing your eyes and imagining yourself already living your desired life. To visualize, simply just lay in bed and get comfortable, close your eyes, and begin picturing your desired life as if it is already your reality. Connect to the imagery emotionally by tapping into your senses. How do your desires look, feel, or sound? Imagine all of the magical details. When you make visualizing the last thing you do before falling asleep, you are imprinting the feeling of already having your desires into your subconscious mind. You are reshaping your vibrational frequency. You also increase the chance of having dreams about the things you want to manifest. I love when this happens. Have you ever fell asleep watching TV then find yourself dreaming about the show you were watching? Visualization has the same effect on your dreams. Summary. The 3 things to do before bed to manifest while you sleep. 1. Get into a high vibrational place. Do something you love and that feels really good. This will affect the rest of your focus throughout the night and into the next day. 2. Journal. Review your thoughts and feelings for that day and see how you can make tomorrow a better, more high-vibe day aligned with your desires. You can also set intentions, make a gratitude list, or write about your upcoming manifestations. 3. Visualize. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living the life you want as you fall asleep. Connect emotionally using your senses. I hope you loved this mini nighttime ritual for manifesting while you sleep. Let me know if you tried any of these out and how they worked for you in the comments below. You now know the power you have and how it can be of service to you. Now let me give you the means of harnessing it to its full potential. Click the link below this video and receive your very own Manifestation Accelerator Kit and read the signs from the universe that will guide you towards limitless success, wealth and happiness. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for more mind-body miracle content. Remember, you are your own miracle. Embrace your own to create your own.